Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today, the 13th of March. So, a bit of confusion going into the close on Friday. So you can see big up, big down here, and we've sort of got a gap up at the moment. We've got a little bit of divergence here, and we've also got a grouping of the oscillator. So, not an area I want to be short. To be quite honest, I'd be looking for a short somewhere in that zone there. So don't want to be jumping in down here, that's for sure. And then if you look at this on the 3-hour, same scenario, you're looking for a rejection higher up. Problem that I've got is you look at this on the daily, we are testing the highs of Friday almost. You can see there's the first swing high that we are testing. Put a level in there. And then there's the second swing high. So we've gapped up and we're testing the highs of Friday. For me, that is a bit of a concern because you'd rather want us to see it testing one of these swing lows for a continuation to the downside. But the fact that we've gapped up like this and it is a big gap. So that was a 171 point gap or 0.5% move in the market, and we're up almost 1% at the moment. So I'd be a little bit skeptical about trying to jump in short here, even though we are below the moving averages. Makes a lot of sense. This is the area I'd be more interested in. So it's between 32,680 and 32,518. But the problem with that is we're then above Friday's high. And above Friday's high, that will become support. So break up, come back onto here, find support, and then that becomes a buying opportunity. So at the moment on the 15-minute, you see we've got a crossover here. We kind of testing the highs here of the daily from Friday. You can see that. So I'm a little bit skeptical about this. I think if we do get above this area here, 32,349, I'd expect rejection of one of these levels higher up. I'd expect price to come back down and we find a base here for an opportunity to buy into this. So for me at the moment, this is a wait and see situation. If we do start getting below the lows of Friday, that's a continuation to the downside that I'd be looking at. But for now, this is sit and wait because there is a possibility you've got a trend reversal here. And the trend reversal, you look at this, most of the week, well, all of last week, down, sideways, down, up, down. So trend is down. You're looking for opportunities, but breaking above this high of Friday basically sets up a double bottom with diversions, and then that becomes a move of 645 points, and that takes us all the way up to that area there, which is 33,085. So yeah, I think moral of the story is expect more volatility. Don't just assume we're going to fault the floor, and also don't assume that we have a trend reversal just yet. So we're probably going to be on anything below the 15-minute charts, to be honest. That will be the opportunity that you're looking for. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. If you look at this on the 5-minute, you'll see flag, rally, range. So it's quite a half decent. If you're going to move up there, you've got a 70-point stop loss for a 180-point move. So 2-to-1 trade basically brewing on the 5-minute here. So I'd be looking at the moving averages, to be honest. As long as we're above them, we're long. We come back and close the gap, and then we reject an area, then I'd be looking at shorts. But obviously I want to see decent breaks, and this is the break I'm looking for at the moment. 32,349. Anyway, that's kind of my view for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.